So we have this 2008 Hyundai Accent, and I am we're doing the recovery test, as you can see. So I just started, and I already hooked up obviously the high side and the low side. And you definitely want to revert back to your manufacturer specs on how much refrigerant and then also how much oil your system needs as well. And basically, we're going to be taking 15 minutes to do the recover process. Or actually, it's got 5 minutes left, so I'm going to wait till we get back on that. Basically, just recovering the refrigerant out of the system right now, and then we'll be placing a vacuum test to make sure there aren't any leaks or any moisture left in the system. And then once everything's good, we'll go ahead and recharge it after the recover and vacuum process is done. Recovered 0.03 pounds of refrigerant. It's just draining oil right now. We're going to start our vacuum process here in a sec. All right. And then now we're going to do the vacuum. And for 10 minutes, I'm going to set a vacuum on it and see it goes from here. This vacuum process is done. We're going to go ahead and do our last step, be charged. No, start to begin. Charging 2 pounds. Press yes. Do not disturb. Alright, and I guess we sit here and wait. And we can also monitor low side and high side temperature to our ambient temperature sheet and kind of revert and see what's going on.